3M Coban Self-Adherent Wrap, Directions for Use. You'll see many ways of wrapping, but we recommend a specific method to deliver tension and compression evenly and consistently. Coban wrap is not an ordinary elastic wrap. It will not slip or loosen with time. Therefore, it must be wrapped to be comfortable to the patient immediately after application. Follow these easy steps. To start, you need to hold the product correctly. Hold the roll so that the outer side of the Coban will be placed in contact with the limb being wrapped. This allows you to unwrap additional material with more control as you wrap around the limb. Step 1. Unwind 12 or more inches of Coban wrap from the roll and allow the wrap to relax. It is important to unwind a sufficient length before beginning to wrap. Step 2. Without stretching, apply one full wrap and overlap. Press overlapped area lightly to keep the end in place. Step 3. Continue wrapping, applying tension to the wrap only to obtain desired compression. Remember to unwind more Coban wrap from the roll so that the product is not applied with too much tension. Step 4. Cut off or tear excess wrap. Release the tension on the last 2 to 3 inches of Coban wrap and press firmly against the underlying wrap to keep it in place. Secure the application by gently pressing layers together to ensure that the bandage windings cohere to each other. We call this giving it the 3M hug. Remove with bandage scissors or by unwrapping.